Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Next, talk about the euro-dollar. So euro-dollar broke out of this range. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I don't think the macros are very clear for a move up for risk on. So this is how we will play this. Let's wait for some kind of a pullback before going in for a short. So if we look out on the daily, we can see a very nice rejection here, but we think this moving average coming up will form some kind of support, and then there will be some choppiness here before a more significant breakdown. So let's wait for the price to give us some retracement so that we can use this as a stop loss. So if you have to go in for a short here, I feel like you have to place the short all the way up here in order for there to be for you to feel safe that you won't get stopped out. However, if you look at the price range from here to here, there's no significant downside you can gain from a risk to reward perspective for you to want to take this trade right now. So what I suggest is wait for some kind of retrace, use this as a stop loss, write it down. If you get stopped out, at least you control your risk, right? And then you just wait for it to come here and then you go for the short again, right? Yeah. So our bias is definitely to the downside for final wave 5, whether is it we use this for a short or we use this for a short, right? If price comes here, we could use this for a short.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.